All right. We are back. Power Hour. It's 8:43 here in Hawaii. 2:43 on the East Coast. Right now, the NASDAQ, the chop continues. But let's talk about this. The gap fill. Ooh, loaded. How could one man be so good looking and so goddamn good? Check this thing out. From the 730 area down there to fill the gap, the close from yesterday, the pivot point, we sold all the way down there to the 560s. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so. Don't you dare. Don't you dare tell me I didn't tell you so, baby. Not only did I not tell you so, but I posted about it multiple times here. Actually on Twitter Live, looking for that 19,660 area for the gap fill. See if we can get that continuation this afternoon. And that was back when it was 732, 19,732. So, boom. But baby, look at that thing. Oh, it's beautiful, people. Put your hands in the air like it just, look at this chart. Oh God, how could what? Oh Lord. Literally 5 minutes later, bang. Target. Pay me. Wow. Wowzers. Woo. All right, right now, look at back here. 5-minute chart. Remember, tomorrow is FOMC. I will not be live in the morning. We'll be live in the afternoon for the FOMC action. But right now, looking here at this move, I don't know. It kind of feels like it's almost like deja vu. It's really funny. Think about it. Like we have almost like similar price action. Like if you flip this chart over, how do you flip the chart again? Forgot how do you flip it? There's a way to invert it, but like right now it almost looks like the same exact setup as kind of earlier. Anybody else see that? Like if you like flip your head upside down, it looks like this is literally the high and that's the low if you just reversed them. What does that mean for us? Kind of had that first that dip to the downside, little push back up here, okay, kind of similar move back up. We broke the low right back up. We broke the high right back down. So I've never seen this before. It's the equals, the yin and the yang in the market. It's the yin and the yang. Ooh, look at that. The new Patrick Wieland indicator. Put this one on your fucking charts. ICT. Look at how indicators work, my friend. Look at that. Perfect. Where's the price gonna go? Well, if you guys want to learn how to day trade the proper way, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna find the yin, right? Find the yin, and then find the yang, and then draw your line through the middle of the yin and the yang. All right. Okay, that's a percentage. Now we're gonna close this. Oh, the yin has been closed. The yang has been closed. There is only one thing that can happen now. There is only one thing that can happen now. And it's simply that the yang must go to the yin. Or the yin must go to the yang. I forgot which one it is. Which one's the yang again? The bottom or the top? I don't know, man. I think this is some next level ICT type shit right here. Is he here in the chat to... we need him to confirm. I think we broke the enigma. We broke the enigma. It happened, guys. The enigma. No, there is no trader on YouTube who actually has any clue what they're doing without this exact chart pulled up right now. So make sure if you're watching somebody else right now live on YouTube, make sure that this is what they're looking at. All right. If we break out of this circle, well, then I think we break this circle down here. If we break out of this circle here, then I think we push to that line. Vice versa, right? Right now, sell into the bottom of that little circle again. Not looking good. Very good possibility that we now sell. Just got to see what happens with this circle there. The circle, man. I'm telling you, y'all are laughing right now, but I could be on to something. That circle earlier, we had 3 taps. 3 taps before breaking the downside. This one's getting very similar. We broke out of that circle earlier. This one's right here. I think it's time to go all in long. Don't do it. Don't do it. But maybe. This could be a crazy idea right now. The yin and the yang. Like, I mean, honestly, it's pretty genius when you actually think about like what we're proposing right here. Like it's almost mirrored right now. We got a pivot point down there at the 537s. How long will it take for the pepperoni pizza? Which one's this? This is just the yin and the yang pizza. What if you ordered a pepperoni pizza and it came and there's only one big pepperoni on each side, just like this? Would you return it? Would you wonder? Would you question yourself? Would you say the universe is trying to show you something? Tell you something? Secret? We got 10 minutes until the real power hour begins. VWAP up there at the 735s. Quite a nasty looking chart right now. Not that sexy looking, is it? Not very sexy looking, that's for sure. Circle, circle, dot, dot. We got a pivot point down there, 530s, 38s. The ES also moving down here, pivot point. Both the ES and NASDAQ right now sitting down here at the lows. This is where we bounced at earlier, this area. Brian Mead, cats and dogs. Stop eating people's pets, Brian. Brian's eating people's pets. Bow, 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 bow. Just sitting back here, being patient, looking for the right opportunities. You know how we do it. A lot of people out there, they try to jump in to every circle that they see. But the real circle traders know exactly when to enter and when to exit. Precision. Perfect algorithmic precision. Learn to trade the circles. Become an inner circle trader. There's a circle inside of a circle. It's genius, people, when you think about it, right? This is the inner circle. This is the outer circle. If the inner circle breaks, we go to the outer circle. The outer circle is going to be where the retail traders are. The inner circle is the smart money. This is Smart Money Concepts 101. International circle traders. It's actually funny though, because like there is something to be said about what we're talking about right now. PW, how is Oahu so far? Man, Oahu's been good. It's been nice, you know, a little change of scenery. Just kind of slower pace of life. Slower pace. Still got like another month here. You got another month. It's just nice to kind of change it up. I'm looking forward to getting back to Florida, though. I do feel like I'm a little bit more serious, a little bit more focused on making money back in Florida, because I'm spending so much money when I'm in Florida. That's my biggest problem. Whenever I have like a bunch of money in the bank, I get lazy because I'm like, don't worry about it. We're already rich. And then once I spend all the money, then I'm all like, oh, fuck, I got to make money. But right now it's working. We're living. Are you drunk? Yes. 8:30 in the morning here in Hawaii. Been drinking pina coladas all morning, baby. We're getting crazy out here, people. On the day right now, just want to give you guys a little update. I keep showing this because I want people to see as I grow these accounts. Once I reach the tippity top, I get on top of the leaderboard. Everybody has seen the process. They saw me build this up. They saw me from zero to hero here. So 3 days so far, we're up over $40,000 in the last 3 days in these funded accounts. That's 3 days of green so far. 2 more days we'll be eligible for a payout. And right now, looking pretty good. So we are cruising along. Cruising along. Trading drunk is crazy. Well, you're crazy. Why not 20 accounts? Because they don't allow 20 accounts. The inner circle support right now is working. I mean, you got to admit, if this works out, it might, sometimes you got to think outside the box, guys. Do you still trade with Apex? Yes, I still trade with Apex. We got $900 in the Apex funded accounts today. You give me the feeling. Victoria, what'd you do? You made some money? Let me see. Look at her. She bought the breakout. Girl's crazy. How much? How much on the day? Type it in the text. I can't hear you. It's too loud out here. We're drunk. A feeling. You give me a feeling. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Victoria's up $600 on the day, trading the inner circle. Inner circle concepts. We got 3 minutes until power hour begins. Trading drunk makes no sense. What are you talking about? Drinking my moonshine. Get off me. Don't come at me. Ugh. It's terrible. Ugh. Moonshine. Oh, God. Ugh. Oh, God. I need my glasses on so I can see the charts better. Now I can see the circles like never before. Oh! I don't know why I feel like this wants to like try to break out to the upside here, but something about it. Patrick, will you explain the importance of the pivot points? I mean, they're part of my strategy. We trade the pivot points. We've talked about this a lot before, what the pivot points are. Yeah. If you're new to the channel, basically pivot points are a calculation, right? It's the support equals the pivot, the minus the high. Support equals the pivot minus the previous high press. It's like a whole equation. Basically, the pivot point equals the previous high plus the previous low plus the previous close divided by 3. It's just mathematical equation. And, you know, I'm not very good at math, so I use the pivot point for that. It just basically gives you an idea of what the range could be, you know, depending on how the market's been moving the day before, vice versa. And, yeah. When you draw the circles, do you draw clockwise or counterclockwise? Well, it's very important to make sure that every circle ends with a little bit of a, you know, a little bit of a crisscross. You got to make sure those lines cross, because that's very important for the strategy. Because now it's like if it don't break above this line, then you're no good. But if it breaks above this line, then it might go down. We're really trying to focus here, guys. Do not fuck around here. What's funny is I honestly think this could like work out. Like if it breaks out of this circle to the upside, then I think there's a pretty good chance that we push up to at least the VWAP here end of day. And then I think if we break out of the circle to the downside, then I think we do, you know, then we sell off. So it's kind of funny actually when you think about it. Patrick, drop the link to this music. It's just what is it? Cream, right? No, this is Aiden Lloyd. Aiden Lloyd, Aydenloyde. Aiden Lloyd. Do you like circles? Only inner circles. You guys want to join my inner circle? I wish I had 1 million followers so I could have a plaque on my wall that says I got 1 million followers. I'm serious. I think I'm gonna put a billboard. I'm gonna put some billboards. Hey, only prop firms. My marketing manager right now is he's watching the live stream. If you ever see somebody post from only prop firms, that's my marketing manager / HR department / regulations and all that as well. He handles everything top to bottom. Great guy. He's very, very educated in everything, basically. He's really good at managing me, you know, if you know what I mean. But honestly, what was I talking about? I was talking about I don't even know what to talk about. The inner circle. Oh yeah, back, sorry. I got to put a billboard. We got to get a billboard. We need billboards. We need billboards everywhere. All over Ethiopia, all over fucking Nigeria. I want billboards like in India. I want billboards everywhere. Everywhere that I can get a cheap billboard, put my face on that billboard and say, follow me on YouTube. Learn to day trade. Fuck the ICT. Put that billboard in every country in the world. Patrick Wieland gets 1 million followers, no problem. How much does it cost? How much does it cost to get a billboard in India? Like a really big billboard. Anybody live in India? Got a connection on billboards? Ethiopia? Who's got me? Billboards, baby. 7 rupees. I'm serious about the bill. I think it would be fucking hilarious. Everyone thinks I'm joking, but I'm actually serious about the billboards. Do it in Dubai? I feel like Dubai would be expensive. Do you like Ethiopia? No, but I think there's a lot of traders in Ethiopia. There's a lot of Forex traders because they all follow ICT. So I gotta find out wherever ICT got all of his followers at, because his followers will believe fucking anything. So I want to find out exactly where he got all of his followers, so that way they'll fucking believe anything that I say. That way, when I blow up my Top Step evaluation accounts and I blow up the Express Funded, instead, my excuse for not getting to the top of the leaderboard is the fact that the market makers kidnapped me and then told me that I could no longer trade in the prop firm account because they don't want me teaching people. That would be a great excuse. If I can't make it to the top, that'll be my excuse. So get ready. A couple weeks from now, don't be surprised if I make a video talking about how I blew up my account because the market makers held me at gunpoint and told me to blow up. Patrick, are you in a position? Does it look like I would be in a position right here? I mean, honestly, do you think I would be in a position with 2 circles and then 1 big circle? Does that look like a good setup to trade? Does that look like a good setup? Would you say this is a good setup? You tell me. I had a double shot espresso this morning. It's getting wild and crazy up in here. They always sucker me into it at the coffee shop. They're like, "Oh, you want an extra shot?" And I'm like, "I don't really want it, but I need it." And then they give it to me, and then it goes crazy. So right now we're below that the close from yesterday's close. So we filled the gap here. This is kind of playing out exactly like we talked about this morning, that gap fill potential, getting down there, filling the gap. I posted on Twitter earlier. If you're not following me on Twitter, you're missing out because I actually post like good stuff sometimes, put the notifications, turn them on. It's not always just videos of me doing weird stuff. Sometimes it's also me trading as well and all of that. So make sure you check me out on the Twitters. Twitters is where all of the secrets are told. As you can see here, dun dun dun. So 2 hours ago, I posted that the NASDAQ pivot point 19,660 gap fill, pullback, get the continuation this afternoon. We moved down to the 560s. So that's about a 200-point move there for everybody for free on Twitter. No big deal. I won't charge this time, but tomorrow I'm gonna start charging. $1 to make you holla. Big news for Apex. Apex today posting some of the reviews here. We got Kim Heapchi. What the fuck? What is that name? Kim Heapchi. Oh, Lord. Said, I was thrilled to receive a notification that my payouts approved in under 3 hours. A pleasant surprise from Apex. So Apex right now is 80% off its 1-day pass. Use the code PW. Gentry, we got these names. Where do they get these names from? Tam Rocio requested payout yesterday night and got approved this afternoon already. Wow, thanks Apex. The biggest payout for me so far at $16,000 this month. Let's go. All right. Apex trying to get those payouts out quicker. People aren't happy. They want those payouts. They don't want to wait around. Don't make me wait for my payout. Still $85 for the activation fee on all account sizes. Somebody said that they sound like made up names. Honestly, like, I work with Apex, and as funny as it sounds, like, I don't think they would make up the names because I feel like they're already so busy with a million other things that it would be a lot of work for them to like make fake names and stuff. I don't know. Ryan Starker seems like a real name. Quick shout out to Apex. Quickest approval he's had yet. Lisa Alden, 3 payouts approved in less than 24 hours. Can you believe that? We got Basker with $2,000 in payouts as well. So people are getting paid out. They want it fast. They want it quick. They want it easy. Where are the bad reviews? Well, obviously they don't post the bad reviews on Twitter. That'll don't you know about marketing? Come on. Right now, the NASDAQ just sitting down here inside of our circle, inside of another circle, which is probably also inside of another circle. So, Diddy indicted on sex trafficking and racketeering. What a crazy world, man. He had all the money that he needed, but still just couldn't be happy. Had to do some weird shit. I don't know. I told you, once I make 50 million, I'm disappearing. I'm disappearing, man. I'm just going. I'm gonna go live on an island all by myself somewhere. Me and Victoria. She's gonna be so excited to just be with me all day, every day. Oh, God. How much have you made already? On the day right now, not the biggest day ever, but 23 times 3, like 7,000 plus another 9,000 on the day. In the last 3 days, we're up over $40,000. Up over $40,000. Trying to build these accounts up. Been showing you guys these accounts the last 3 days as they grow into larger accounts. We've got 4 XFAs. We got another XFA on the way, and I want to get that 5 XFAs. I want to build this up, build it up to that. I want to get to the payout cap, get it up to 50,000, get it up to 60,000, and then get the biggest payout in the history of history. Da 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 da. No Limit Trader says that 9,000 ain't shit. That he's up 55. Damn. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, man. I'm excited for you. I hope you don't lose all 55,000 G's. Right now, the NASDAQ reaching back up here, pushing back up to our little line. Remember our line we drew there? Do not tell me that I didn't tell you so. So I definitely said it. Do not be like, well, Patrick, you never told us. I'm like, no, I fucking told you. I definitely told you. The fact that there's somebody in my chat that's saying they made $55,000 and now they're on YouTube watching me, like that right there is a compliment in itself. You know, like, damn. Not only am I good looking, but I'm also funny enough to keep you entertained. You know, if I made $55,000 today, you know what I would be doing? I would not be sitting on YouTube listening to some moron. That's for sure. You know, if I'm up 55 on the day, I'm definitely not here. That's for sure. So good, so good. Circle, circle, dot, dot. I mean, the long earlier is playing out. That crazy idea of getting long down there at the bottom of the circle. You might think I'm crazy right now, but I mean, it's kind of working. Like, it's kind of going back up now. You know, like it's It's kind of like trying to go. I don't know. It's trying. We're going into Power Hour. Tomorrow is FOMC. I will not be live in the morning. I will only be live in the afternoon for the FOMC party. We'll be live right here. Jerome Powell. See what happens. Got the power over me, my mind. All right, again, testing. What's crazy is this candle right here got right to that yellow line. Like, I drew that yellow line 30 minutes ago. How did that happen? How did that candle get right to that yellow line and then stop? I swear. Sometimes, like, the market it's just funny. It looks like a lemon. It looks like a lemon now. It looks like a lemon. I'm the Oracle. Bow down, bitches. I'm the ghost in your machine. I'm the yin to your yang. I'm the number one. The number one. Could you ever see yourself getting to the point where your 9 to 5,000 days turns into $50,000, $100,000 days? Yeah, no, I can see that. I mean, I have $20,000 days pretty regular in my personal account, so I don't think it's impossible by any means if you think about it. It really just comes down to waiting for that right setup. It's funny because I feel like I make money on days where there's not that big of a move. And then some of the more obvious big profit days are the days where I don't capitalize. So I definitely think I can. Can you trade futures with a personal account with $5,000? You could trade the micros for sure. All right, so the NASDAQ right now pushing back up here. This is that third kind of trace, that pullback we talked about. We were like, all right, look, 1, 2, 3. Look at earlier is like 1, 2, 3 as well in that upper circle. So kind of just I saw how this was looking very similar, this move, almost like exactly similar to this, kind of breaking out to the downside. We broke to the highs. We pulled back inside there. So end of day here, we got the VWAP 729s. I think it looks pretty good for the longs if we can get this breakout here. What's my biggest day ever? Trading copy trading, probably like $80,000 in a day, but that was only what, $4,000 in each account, so it doesn't really count. My biggest profit day for a live account, like right around 30,000. NASDAQ trying to go here, but right there at that pivot point right now, we're like stuck at the pivot point, and we're stuck right there at the gap, the close from yesterday. So we're stuck right below the close from yesterday. Insane how it literally got stuck right there at that yellow line. Circles, man. People think that trend lines are the secret, but it's all about the circles. Circle, circle, dot, dot. The lemons, but then they turn into circles, but then they go back to lemons, but then they go to circles, then they go to lemons. And don't worry, I teach this strategy in my $200 course. Yes, I will teach you exactly how to squeeze lemons and make lemonade. Right now, that close from yesterday here, this 670 area, kind of try to get through that for the bulls here, end of day. If not, we just chop back down here again. Maybe we chop back down and then get the breakthrough, the 600s to the downside. Just sit back here, being patient. Boom. FOMC tomorrow. Oh, buddy. It's going to be wild. Who's ready for FOMC? Justin getting the short today. Let's go, Justin. For the gap fill, baby. Gaps love to get filled. NASDAQ trying to push up here through the 670 area. Justin said they can say what they want about you, but you know what you're doing. Hey, like I've always said, if I didn't know what I was doing, they wouldn't talk about me, you know? Everybody talks about me for a reason. Not only is it because they're jealous because I'm so beautiful, but they also talk about me because they're jealous of how damn good I am at this game. No one does it better. I saw some guy the other day making a video impression of Patrick Wieland. It was really bad. Very bad impression. Very, very bad. But still, I guess it's kind of funny that people make video impressions of me. You know, hey, thanks for the compliment. Market stuck at our circle once again. Down there to the 640s. We got about 8 minutes until 3:30, and then kind of waiting to see what happens here end of day. We'll get a big move because of the FOMC tomorrow. Will we get people, you know, trying to get long or trying to get short into close before the action tomorrow? We're going to find out. Right now, again, dumping down there from that close. The channel is real. As you count on me, makes a leave at the end. Both both the ES, the NASDAQ back down. Straight back, not straight back down, but pretty much right into this little level here. Had to retest the bottom of the circle one more time. Naughty circles. Patrick, have you ever fished in a storm? Every day, man. My life is one big fucking hurricane out there fishing. It's crazy. We can't move the circle. Once the circles are on the chart, the circles must stay. You guys got to go shark diving. Oh, I've been shark diving. Oh, yeah, buddy. Been there, done that. Almost lost my life to a shark. No, I actually have been shark diving here in Haleiwa a few times. Back when I was a young buck. Go out there and swim around with the sharks. Austin Lee, market's been tough, man. If you look at anybody right now, it's been tough for everybody. Not a lot of follow through, a lot of choppy mornings. I think after the FOMC meeting here tomorrow, we should get back to some better price action. So. It ain't the strategy. It ain't, it has nothing to do with people always like they make money. They do really well. And then all of a sudden the market is choppy and shitty, and then they're so confused on why they're not doing well. But you got to remember, if you're going to trade momentum, if you're trading momentum, you can't make money if there is no momentum. That's like the people are like, oh man, I can't make money in this market. I'm like, well, there's no momentum. So it's like, how do you make money? Why don't you want to trade the open tomorrow? Well, because I know that there's going to be a better move after the FOMC. So, might as well just save my energy, sleep in, wake up nice and relaxed, and then trade the afternoon. All right. No updates on the book yet. The book has gone to the editor. The book is at the editor. They're working on the finalizing the book right now, actually. Oh, buddy. Patrick Wieland documentary book. No, it'll be a book about trading futures. It's not going to be anything like groundbreaking, by the way. Just put that out there. It's just kind of a book of all my little tidbits. I'm going to try this long right here. See if we get a quick push up. We're tight, real tight there at the 21 EMA. See if we can get a push up there above the 50s. If it don't work, it don't work. Whatever. Sell stop at the 38s here. I like it. See if we can get some more out of it, though. We need to get that push through the 55s there next, right there at that pivot point area. Need that follow through here now. Moving my stop up. God damn it. I'm like, ugh, I kind of want to just like move my stop into the green here and try to get this a trail, but we got to get through that 55. We get through 55, should be nice and easy to trail it, but I don't want this false breakout here. All right. I want to break through 55 and then move my stop to the 50s here. And then try to like just keep trailing it up if we can get some momentum through this 55 level. We're right there at that pivot point. 55 is trying to push. Moving my stop to the 50s now for $1,200. We're either going to keep going or we'll get stopped out. This is how I trade the chop. I'm going to move my stop to 54 now, 54.50, and stopped out there. So, still almost $2,000. She's still going to the 60s now. You can see the potential reversal set up there as well. Our circle getting tested one more time. It's still going, by the way, up there to the 660s now. We took a little over 10 points. Getting some volatility right below this pivot point there, that 58 level. Looks like we took profit at the right time. Wasn't expecting, 100 points, but looking for that push up there, at least to that pivot point one more time. Are you planning on trading anymore? Yes. We got the 950, the 350 algorithm coming up here in a little bit. Watching this circle. I think we might get a big move here in the last 10, 20 minutes of the market. Either up or down. I don't really care either way. Make the money, honey. Am I buying the breakthrough, the 666s? Maybe. We'll see how it acts. Do you trade the S&P? No, only the NASDAQ. People always ask me this. It's not like there's no actual reason. It's just a personal choice. Too much. Some good news for Apex customers today. If you're just now tuning in, you know, give a little bit of love to Apex today for some faster payouts hitting. People reporting that they're getting faster payouts right now here with Apex. So good to see, good to see. I know that's probably one of the people's biggest complaints when it comes to Apex is waiting for payouts to get approved. And I, like I've said before, I know Apex has been hiring more employees and trying to get that under control. So they're working on it. It's not that I don't think they are ignoring the fact that there's problems with getting the payouts done quicker, but they are definitely aware of what needs to be done at least. Jay Pele has made $117,000 this month with his ES trading bot. He's also trading 20 accounts, so maybe. It's not very unrealistic if you think about it, like trading 20 accounts. NASDAQ up here to this 660 area, 666 area up here, kind of big resistance. If we get through that, we'll see if we get that end of day squeeze going. VWAP to the upside. We're just kind of holding down here at the lows right now. Both the ES and NASDAQ just kind of going up and down inside of this little circle down here. We'll see if we get this move straight up. End of day. We got to hold. If we can't hold this 600 level, NASDAQ obviously sells off, but patience. We're stuck right there at that pivot point. There's a pivot point there at the 58s. 58 pivot point to get through. Your mic screamed? Uh-oh. Sorry. Apologies. Sorry. What was that noise? I don't know. What was that noise? Looking for this. Let's get right through this 660 area now. Get this end of day squeeze. What do you think? Is it possible? Getting real tight. Well, the squeeze, I think we start getting some stops ran above this 66 level. We got stuck there earlier, right at 66s, 65s. The 2-minute chart right here, back above the pivot now. Just got to get through this resistance there, 66 level. That's the close from yesterday. This playlist is Cream, K-R-E-A-M, Liquid Lab. Liquid Lab Cream. NASDAQ respecting that trend line there. Again, just waiting to see if we can get this push. Got to get above that 660 level for the longs. But maybe we just start selling off here and we take out that low again down there. I don't know, just kind of waiting. Still got 9 minutes until the 650 algorithm, 650, the 350. Getting real tight here. Bears, the bulls. I know, I feel like whenever I go live for Power Hour, the market doesn't go anywhere. But tomorrow, tomorrow FOMC, we should get the moves, get the volatility again, and then Thursday, Friday, I think we'll be back in business. So Sad Sultan bought the course last night, made $200 a day trading. He's already in the profit. After buying the course, 24 hours later, he's already in the profit. This guy, love to see it. My man, $200, now he's up $10 in profit. Let's go. What time am I going to start tomorrow? We'll probably start around 2 o'clock. FOMC meeting tomorrow, so 2 o'clock Eastern. you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like, by the way. It's free to like. What is the 350 algorithm? 350 algorithm is the MOC, market on close orders. They're the last 10 minutes, everybody getting their orders in before the close of the day. O'Dane, pass your TPT with only 2 days, but now you got to flip. Correct. You got to do 5 days with him. Jeff Werner made $856 from the course today. That's a 4x, 4 times the investment. $200 for the course, $800 in profit. Let's go. Somebody the other day was like, you made $20,000, but you're worried about selling a $200 course? I'm like, yes, that's the funny part. The funny part is that the course is literally $200. People will spend $200 on fucking the stupidest shit, but they won't spend $200 to actually learn to trade. So they'll spend $200 to join a chat room to be told when to buy and sell, but they won't spend $200 to actually learn to trade. How does that work? You know? How does that work? Right now, NASDAQ just sitting here. We got 5 minutes. I don't want to jinx it, but I got a feeling. I got a feeling something's going to happen here in the next 5 minutes. 5 minutes, baby. See if something happens. $11 or $12. The mic. Sorry, I don't know what the mic's doing. My apologies. No more clapping. No more clapping. Sorry. Emergency broadcast. I actually have another microphone. I have this microphone, but it won't work for some reason on my computer. I gotta figure out why it won't work. I don't know. Something is weird about it. All right, we got a little less than 2.5 minutes here till the 350 algorithm kicks in. Let's see if we get some momentum in either direction, up or down. I don't really care which way. I just want to see if we can get some momentum. Do you hold any crypto assets? I don't right now. To be honest, I thought about maybe buying some Bitcoin recently, but then it started going straight back up again, and I'm like, damn it. Now I feel like I'm chasing it. All right, NASDAQ once again bouncing off this trend line back to the highs of this, to the downward trend. Will we get the breakout? This 660 level should send us higher. We got the VWAP all the way up there at the 725s. ICT did an entire X space on Saturday where he talked about Patrick. I know. I am literally in his head. He cannot get me out of his head. He's fucked. It would be honestly impossible for him to win the Robins Cup now because of how much pressure I put on him. That's why I've been so aggressively putting pressure on him, because when there's pressure on him, he'll fold. He'll fold like a wet fucking paper towel. ICT is going to fold like a fucking paper towel, boys, with fucking baby formula on it. Oh, look at that. I knew he was here. ICT, why don't you just fucking make 11,000% return and then everyone would shut up? You know, think about that. If you made 11,000% return, nobody could talk anymore. Why not do that? Honestly, I'm not even trying to be a troll. I would love to see it. It would be history, right? It would be actual history is made. But for some reason, you just won't do it. You won't even agree to the bet. You won't do anything. Come on. This guy. Here we go. 350 algorithm. There's that straight up push through the 66s. Trapping some bulls above the 66s. Oh, Lord. This market don't know what it's going to do. Welcome to Tuesday before FOMC. You got to love it. It's fun like that, you know? It's fun trading this kind of just nothingness. My soul, it hurts my soul on the inside, you know? You're like, damn it, my soul, man. My soul hurts. All right, NASDAQ still trying to push the bulls, get through the 66 level. Like I said, kind of 80s, 90s up there. She's still going. Guys, somebody asked if I'm long or short. Why would I be short right here? You know, why would I be short right here? Think about that. Come on, use your brains. I need brain power to be used sometimes. And the chop continues. I took this trade very, very just in and out on this thing. Got long there, 55s, sold into that push to the 60s. Just wasn't loving that chop for a minute and got out. Kind of trailed it, thought we were going to go, and then got stopped. But it is what it is. Locking in some more profit there in my Apex funded accounts. We're up over $40,000 in the Top Step funded accounts in the last 3 days. Is Victoria trading today? I think she is. She said she was up like $600 earlier. An ICT and Patrick Wieland podcast. Michael, let's do the podcast. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch, Michael. Do the podcast unfiltered. It'd be the most watched trading video on the internet, unfiltered, with Patrick Wieland and Michael Huddleston. Now my computer screen stopped working. What the fuck? What is happening right now? Are you kidding me? How did this hasn't happened in weeks, and now it's happening right now. The fuck? Oh, fuck, it's back on. I heard Top Step spending a lot of time talking about me today on Top Step TV. I don't know why they spend so much time talking about me. If they're so successful, so happy and so rich over there, I don't know why they talk about me so much. I'm clearly unhappy and unsuccessful, so that's why I talk about everybody else, okay? Haters gotta hate, players gotta play. Patrick Wieland's the biggest hater ever because I'm so unhappy and I'm such a loser, all right? 355 algorithm kicking in there. Oh, I cannot wait for Thursday, Friday. I want to get done with FOMC, man. I just want to get done with it. I want the market to start moving again. I can't wait. Michael Huddlehouse. Somebody sent me, hey Michael, somebody sent me an email the other day. Really weird email. It was like documents for your mortgage on your house or some shit. People are crazy. I didn't post him, by the way. Just putting that out there. I know you think I'm a piece of crap, but I did not post him. Yeah, it was the ICT public records. ICT said one time that he has 5 kids and they all have $2 million trust. And the 2 older homes that he purchased in 2013 and 2014 for them. Not mansions or estates like I had, but respectable houses for $500,000. So he posted saying that basically he bought these $500,000 houses for his kids, but the public record shows that one of the houses cost $100,000. So ICT, who's lying? Are you here right now? So there's this court document shows ICT buying a house for $100,000. He told people that the house was a $500,000 house. I don't know, man. It's all there, documents. Your signature's on it. I mean, that's the house right here that you bought. It has your name all over it. And then that's your signature right there, right? Michael Huddleston, grantor. Is that your house? Is that the $500,000 house? He's here. I'm just asking. That is where my LLC is still addressed. Look it up. So, did you lie about the $500,000 house, or did you just make it up? I just wondered. You don't have to, like, I'm just asking, you know. You said that you paid in the email. You said you paid $500,000, and your house and your kids have $2 million trust. But then the actual sale of the house is only $100,000. I don't know, man. I don't know. ICT. I mean, the guy he cannot stop talking shit. Don't know what you're referring to. It says right here that you purchased the house for a sum of $110,000. In that email, you said the houses that you bought were $500,000 for your kids. But now in the actual, it shows the actual sale here. So that's what I'm referring to. I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, wait, did he sell it? 2017 by, I don't even know, man. I don't even own a house. Gotcha. I don't even own a house. So wait, he bought a $500,000 or he sold the house? I'm confused. I don't even know what's happening anymore. Oh, end of day. What happened here on the charts? The market from the 660 pivot point up there to the 667s. Or sorry, 670, 680 area. What you said, what you showed, he sold. He's got funds in Switzerland. That's what he says in the email as well. Read this email. It's insanity. He says, I am certain perhaps you missed the occasion I divulged some of my background and experience. At risk of weighing copper, I've been in a very large reporting positions, both in currency futures and T-bonds. My average positions were 1,000 contracts intraday and $2,500 and 2,500 contract T-bonds simultaneously. Currencies I made 20 million in yen on the run-up in the 90s alone. That was the game changer. He's worked in the banking industry as an analyst and advisor to tier traders and side by side with literal market makers. I know what they do intimately. I have made over $30 million in the US trading futures alone. Another $18 million in about FX since 2004. I managed $200 million a fund for corporate entity in downtown Baltimore since 2007. I have 5 children that all have $2 million trust, and that the 2 older have homes purchased between 2013 and 2014 for them. Not mansions or estates, but I have respectable homes, $500,000 range. I scale back my size for preservation reasons. I know the markets are going to get whacked soon, and my exposure is limited. I have funds in Switzerland, and I have been talking to my wife for the last 5 years about leaving the States. It's coming. I dabble in FX retail accounts, but I hold prime brokerages with Citi. I trade interbank prices on my cash accounts, no leverage. This year was the slowest year for me as I have multiple personal distractions. I look around and I can't complain. Take care, Michael. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Never worked in a bank? So you didn't send that email? I'm confused. Michael just makes up as he goes. Michael, I'll ask one question and one question only, and you can answer it in the chat or you cannot. We know you're here, so if you don't answer it, that means that you're saying you don't. Have you or do you make money as a day trader? Michael Hudson, have you or do you actually make money as a day trader trading a live account? Do you ever make real money? Why does Cami Capital says that you wrote that email, that he received that email? I don't know. Michael. Michael. The dominoes are falling. January 2025, the end of ICT. The myth, the legend, Patrick Wieland took him down like a fucking big old dragon. I climbed to the top of the hill and I grabbed him by the fucking reins and I went, woo, buddy. Bent him over, slapped his ass, called him Sally. Thank you. January 2025. It's over. What's he going to do when he doesn't win the Robbins Cup? When he doesn't make 11,000% return? He's over. It's over. What are you going to say at this point? I will never live it down. I will put billboards in every city in America that literally says ICT can't trade. ICT can't trade. Billboards everywhere. Billboards all over Ethiopia. I'm going to put fucking billboards all over Ethiopia, all right? All of your Ethiopian followers are going to finally know the truth. Poor ICT. He dug a hole, man. He dug the hole. Too big. Too big. He went to try to fight me. Toe to toe. Patrick Wieland versus ICT. Winner. Chicken dinner. Bringing them down, baby. Bringing them down. All right. I'm going to get out of here. The sun is kind of shining here in Hawaii. And, yeah. I bet these guys are friends in real life. I don't think so. I hope not. Wait, are we friends in real life? Oh, shit. ICT's in the room. I'm not even hating. People that think that I'm hating, it's not even hating at this point. It's just, somebody has to call ICT out. You know, it's just like at this point, he's the guy who said on Twitter, screaming and yelling for months, telling everybody that he was going to destroy every trader in the industry. He was going to break every record. He was going to make 11,000% return. And everybody was like, oh my God, ICT, can I suck your dick now or later? Please, you're the best trader ever. All of his little all of his little followers went on my Twitter and they all got upset and mad. And they said, don't you worry, ICT is going to win. He's going to win. No, ICT, this is not about anyone else. This is about you. Stop saying that it's about everybody else. That the reason you're not going to win the Robbins Cup is because nobody else entered. Will you finally just stop being a little bitch for once in your whole fucking life and just admit that you cannot actually fucking trade? You've already said it before, but you won't admit it. Just admit it. You cannot actually execute. It is a fact. If you do not win the Robbins Cup, it is a fact that you cannot make money day trading. Just admit that. Just fucking admit it. And then I can finally just be like, all right, it's over. He admits it, you know, like that's fine. If you want to be, you know, a fucking magical, you know, Twitter, you know, fictional fucking wizard, that's totally fine. But I'm going to call this shit when I see it. I've been calling this shit for literally 8 months, over a year now. And everybody's been saying that Patrick's, I'm gonna get destroyed. ICT is gonna destroy Patrick. He's gonna destroy. I'm gonna be bankrupt. Where is ICT at? He's nowhere. We bet him $1 million. We bet ICT $1 million that he could not win the Robbins Cup. He still won't take the contract. I'm literally, at this point, I'm so just confused. ICT, I'm asking you as a human being, for once in your life, just tell the truth. Just tell the truth. Just for once. You're so full of shit. I know that the pressure has to weigh on you so much. I know it does. I know that you literally sit there and you're having vertigo and you're having heart problems and all these issues because of all of the stress. I'm asking you literally as a human being right now, can you just for once admit that you cannot day trade? Just please, just admit it. The guy will not admit it. He will not. He's gonna go down and he's gonna wait until January and then come up with some excuse and be like, everybody, the reason that I did not win the Robbins Cup is because nobody else would challenge me. That's literally what he's gonna say. That is literally going to be his excuse. The reason that he did not win the Robbins Cup is because nobody challenged him. Like, I'm challenging you right now $1 million. $1 million. Literally, we'll pay you $1 million just to fucking win the Robins Cup. Sign the deal. $1 million, dude. You're the best trader in the world, but you won't do it for $1 million? You want someone to challenge you? We have $1 million. The CEO of Fast Track Trading. I got 500,000. He's got $1 million. Dude, come on. It's such a joke. God. Your whole excuse is, oh, I don't have 500,000. I have 500,000. I literally have the money. I will pay you. I swear on my mother's fucking grave. I swear to God. If you win the Robins Cup, I will delete my YouTube channel. I will pay you $500,000 and I will quit. I will stop ever talking about ICT ever again. I will. I'll delete everything and I will disappear and I will never exist on this fucking internet ever again. I swear to God. And I'm like literally just asking you just to fucking do it. Just to do it. Just fucking do what you said you would do. You know what I mean? Like, just do it, man. I'm trying to I would honestly be like amazed. I would give you the round of applause. If you fucking made 11,000% return, I would be like, holy motherfucking God. This guy literally is the best trader to ever live. You know? I'm just, just like, why can't you? Just do what you said you would do. You get $1 million. All you have to do is just do what you said. What do you mean I will see it? What does that mean? You will see it. What are we going to see? Who's going to see it? What does that mean? Oh, you'll see it. Like, what does that mean? Oh, you're going to see it. What does that even mean? I don't even know what that means. Hey, everybody, you're going to see it. Hey, everybody watching, you're going to see it. You're going to see it. That's right. Yeah. Just wait. What are you going to see? God. Oh my God. I'm honestly not even hating. I'm really not. Like I could talk about how the ICT told people that he blew up his account because of people following him into trades. I could talk about how he lies about everything. I could talk about how he says, all this insane shit, and I could just blah blah blah, but I'm not. All I'm saying right now is ICT, for once in your life, just stop being a piece of shit and just do exactly what you said you would do. If you can't do it, that's fine. But just stop talking about it. Like this. I cannot live in this suspension anymore. I'm getting a point. I'm getting to a point where I literally am losing my mind. Because it's absolutely insane that like people on the internet still believe ICT. It's like, I'm like, guys, am I a fucking moron? I'm a moron. Patrick Wieland must be a motherfucking moron because there's 1 million people out there that think that ICT actually knows how to day trade. Right? Like that is like, I am a moron. I am a goddamn moron. And I just want it to be over with. I want trading. I want my YouTube. I want all of it to be done. I want ICT to be able to win the Robins Cup. I can delete my YouTube, delete everything, and then I can go live in the fucking woods. I just want that to happen because honestly, I'm like, imagine like right now, you're going to find out if aliens exist, right? Like there's a person, he's like, I'm an alien. But you're like, well, just show yourself. He's like, I'm not going to show you I'm an alien until you just wait. You just wait until I show you my alien dick, all right? Once I pull out my alien wang, that is when you're going to know. But right now, I cannot show you that I am an alien. But I am an alien. But by the way, I can't show you. It's been over a year, and but I want you to understand, I am an alien. Like there's an alien sitting right next to me, and this motherfucker keeps saying that he's not an alien, that he is an alien, but I'm like, you're not an alien. And then I'm like, I don't know what's going on. I don't get it. Is he an alien? Is he not an alien? Is he gonna fuck me? What is happening? Who is the alien? You will see. Just wait. There will be an alien in your presence before you know it. I can't. I just can't. I'm honestly like, hey, whatever. If there's a million idiots out there that think that ICT can trade, that's great. You know, that's awesome. That someone's got to lose. You know, someone's got to put money in the market so we can make money, because it's just at this point, I can't. I just can't wait till January. When January comes along, it's like, what else is he going to say? What excuses will he have in January? At this point, it's like, what could he possibly say? Oh, aliens abducted me. Oh, I got raped. Oh, I got kidnapped. Oh, I got vertigo. Oh, my butthole hurts. I couldn't trade for all of 2024. Like, what is he going to possibly say? I don't know. I literally don't know. So, whew. All right. Yeah, and at the end of this year, he's going to tell everyone, don't you worry. 2025, ICT is going to win the Robins Cup. 2025, he's going to win. He is going to fucking win in 2025. Don't you worry. I cannot wait for that. A whole year of waiting for another 2025. Oh, God. When's your book come out, ICT? How many pages is your book? How many pages is in your book? That's what I want to know. This guy, that book's going to be so fucking insane. Like, no one's going to be able to learn shit from it, because you're going to read it and it's going to, like, he'll be talking about trading, and then all of a sudden he's going to be like, but you do know that the world is coming to an end soon. So this whole book about trading doesn't actually have a purpose, because the world is actually going to end. If you read the Bible, in the Bible it says 2024 on 1/1/1, it's going. The world's ending. Apocalypse. Whee! That was always fun. I liked when ICT had his rants about the world ending. The fact that ICT spent months last year sitting on Twitter talking about the world ending in 2024, that really got me excited. I was like, man, 2024 is going to be great. Look at the NASDAQ still going up here. We were right. The bulls came to party here, end of day. We broke to the upside. We made the money. And I'm going to walk away with my real profits today. ICT, I don't know what he does, trading his demo accounts, trading one contract, whatever. Wait. ICT, why do you always backtrack? Everything, this guy backtracks on everything. Now he says the world's not ending. You should have listened to his motherfucking his little shotgun Saturday, where he's literally for 3 hours talking about how Antichrist is coming and they're all like, it's over. And now all of a sudden it's not ending anymore. Oh yes, now it's different. Oh yes, we really believe you now. All right, I gotta go. I can't keep roasting this crazy person. I feel bad. I do worry that at some point ICT might murder me. He does seem like a psychopathic, psychotic, insane person with very insane issues. Because that's the only way he could be able to live in the world that he lives in. So there it is. I'll talk to you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East. ICT, stop being a little piece of shit and actually win the Robins Cup, or shut up. Just shut up already. We're over it. We're tired. You just won't stop.